As you can see, there's remains of a struggle. Oh, this is where the kill took place. As you can see, there's a clear struggle. I don't know if you can see because I'm using a camera phone. Oh, maybe it's not really cool. Something happened here. Because actually the feather trail continues up here. Maybe this is where the kill took place. Look, see, there's some feathers that I'm assuming are from the bird. I do not see it, and it's really hot outside. Oh, stop. I think that's all plants, so this must have been where it took place. I'm guessing... Oh yeah, see this down grass? I have no idea if this is from the animal, but it appears to be. I'm guessing Trey was maybe hiding over here in this long grass, and then the bird came right here, and it jumped out and got him. So here you can tell this is where a struggle took place. Look at all the leaves. Boom. Oh, yes, this is where, because LMA had a bunch of dead grass in his mouth when he brought me the bird. So LMA was probably hiding over there. And then the bird, dum-de-dum-dum, I'm a bird. Hurrah, boom. Struggle. See all the leaves? And then you can tell LMA probably LMA still had the grass. So he grabbed it. He also grabbed a mouthful of grass. But it was all one death kill. And probably never opened his jaw again until I filmed. Him probably opened the first time when he showed it to me. So that's where he killed him. And then there's a trail of bird, basically. A bird leaves. They're not leaves, they're feathers. And this is where Trey brought it to me. Now there's tons. See, Trey, if I would let you bring it inside, all this would be on the ground. Yeah, it looks good. Oh yeah. It's fucking awesome. And these Meowies are useless. Where's your birds? You guys suck. You guys didn't even get a bird. Hey, good kitty! Yeah, good kitty! Yeah! Good thing. What'd you kill? Oh, that's awesome. Kitty. Are you gonna be mad if I let these other Meowies out and they try to steal your bird? Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, come out. Are you guys gonna fight for the bird? Oh, Trey, you're just gonna leave that bird there? Trey, you're just gonna leave the bird there. Well, I guess he's not even gonna eat it. Maybe he got it from me, but I don't like bird. I'm gonna like chicken. Oh, mate, no, it's not yours. You guys shouldn't get bird. You guys didn't kill it. Sorry. You guys don't get bird. So, yeah. There's a dead bird. And, I can't let Marley outside now because I want her to eat that bird. I'm gonna make her sick or something. Yeah. Clearly this is where the struggle took place. Looks like over here was a hiding spot. There better not be snakes over here. I'll be filming my own death. So yeah, I bet she was like laying low over here somewhere. Maybe right in there. And boom! Jumped out, got it. One death bite was all it took, as was evidenced by the dried grass that was still in her mouth when she came to me, his mouth. Sometimes he never opened up his mouth, or the grass would have fallen out. And see, there's an exceptional amount of leaves right here, because that's where it died. Where I first got it, and it died while he brought it over here. And yeah, trail of stuff. I don't know if this is related to the bird or not. It looks like trash or something. Anyways, here's clear feathers. And then that's where I found Trey with the bird in his mouth, and now he's torn it up a little bit, and I guess he got bored of it and decided to go inside. That's pretty disgusting. Yeah, that's awesome. And here's Junior. Now, Junior, you don't get the bird. That's That's Trey, the bird killer. You're a killer, Trey. You're a killer. You're looking at the jaws of a killer right now. Oh, you still got bird feather in your eye. You got bird feather in your eye, dude. Oh, did I get it out? Okay. Oh, you still got... Dude, you got bird feather in your eye. He has bird feather in his eye. Hey, let me try to get it out, buddy. I'm gonna need to wash my hands after this. I'm not actually trying to pet you. You got bird feather in your eye, man. Here, let me get it. Let me get it. Oh. Junior, that's not your bird. Apparently, Trey doesn't even care. Junior's sniffing his bird. Let me get that bird feather out of your eye, dude. See, that was in your eye, man. I think I got it all. Yeah, I think I did. Yeah, that's a killer right there. That's a killer. Yeah, you guys go check out Trey's work. Are you scared? Ellie's scared to check out Trey's work. Look at him. Her. And Junior's like, Junior, it's hot outside. Come in. And you guys are all going to get shots for that bird, including me. Trey's going to be like outside. Hey, I killed that bird, Junior. Oh, never mind. I actually don't give a shit. I just kind of killed it. Now I'm, don't care that my fellow Meowy can smell it. Kind of want to be pet, though. Yeah. Good kitty! Awesome. Hey, Junior, you should probably stay away from that. That Trey goes out. Back to killing the bird. Or maybe the way around. Okay. Trey, why'd you kill that bird if you're not going to eat it? The Native Americans would not approve of that, Trey. Good kitty. Yeah, you kill a bird. Yeah. Good kitty. Just gonna leave that on me as on outside now. That's disgusting. Yeah, that's where Trey kind of bit at it a little bit. At his feet. Poor bird, probably never knew it hit him.